Hey guys, my name is Linda and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. And if you're not new to this channel, thank you so much for your support. So in this video, I wanted to show you guys how I do my smoky eye makeup, and as you guys can see, it's already done. So if you're interested in how I came up with this look, then please keep watching this video.
Get away, nigga, get away. I ain't try hear what a nigga say. Headed for the top, I ain't know how to stop till the world go pop. I've been steady watching these fools talking shit like it's a daily news. Beefing niggas got petty moves, when I make them lose fatty juice. Nigga, yeah, on a mission, like I'm flying to the moon, dog.
So for the smoky eye, I'm going to be using this L'Oreal palette. It's called La Petite palette. It's really nice and small, and it's one of those palettes that you would use to like travel with. So it's really good in terms of travel size. Oh, apparently I don't know how to open this. There we go. So I got this at a dollar store. I think it was like $7. And it's got basically some of the colors that you would need on a daily basis to have a proper makeup look. So we're gonna go in with this orange color, and just before I do that, of course, I'm just gonna first conceal my eyes and then we'll start popping up the color. So I've already primed my face. I'm just gonna now spread the concealer all over my eye just to make sure that we're applying the eyeshadow on a clean canvas. So I'm gonna go in with the orange color just to set the idea of, oh, that's too much, the idea of where I want my smoky eye to start. So I'm gonna go in with this brush just to like shape the orange color and blend it out a little. So I feel like the orange is a little bit too light, so I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of the purple just to like intensify it a little bit, especially the corners, especially where the crease starts. So because of the smoky eye, I'm gonna first go in with this Essence eyeliner, and I'm just gonna use it to line my lids, and then I'm going to blend it out. So I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild palette. And then now I just need to basically blend this whole line so that it's not, there's no line, harsh line. Make it a little bit interesting, I'm gonna go in with the orange for my underneath my eyelids. And just to add a little bit of glitter, I'm gonna add I'm gonna use this color just for the inner corners. I'm gonna do my eyelashes off camera and then I'll be back. So now I'm doing the usual. I'm gonna go in with the FitMe Maybelline 330 and 340 foundation, and I just mix these because they're not a good match. Now I'm going to go in with my Essence Camouflage Concealer just to brighten up my under eye. And now I'm just gonna go in with my MAC concealer and contour palette. gonna go in with this Nivea Pearly Shine. Just to make it a bit more interesting, I'm gonna add lip gloss. So this is the final look. I just had to move away from my previous setting because of the lighting. My window's right here, so I wanted you guys to see, you know, so you guys can get the right angles and see the colors. Look at that. Oh, honey. And look at my braids. My braids don't look too bad for someone who did it at home. So this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and like, as well as please click the bell button next to the subscribe button so that every time I post a video you get a notification. Otherwise, this is all from me, and I'll see you guys on the next video.